Hello people, today we're going to be making one of my delicious recipes that you're going to try and you're going to love it. It's a recipe, a family recipe, a recipe you want to try with friends. It's simple, but yet it's lovely. But trust me, what you need to guide on is it's hot. But let's do it. But don't worry, let's go. So the first thing you need here, you need pasta. I'm boiling water on the other side, 8 cups of water and about 12 grams of salt. Heat up my pan and to add the spice into the dry pan. And we're also going to add half the water. This is 50 grams of water. We're going to add 25 grams into the pan, melt with the oil. And then we're going to, at this point, add the garlic. The technique I'm using today is called the frying technique of spice. And then I'm going to flavor the aromatic flavor of the spice to come out. And I'm going to add the cumin and the alligator pepper into the pan. You're going to stir and to ensure all of this lovely spice are cooking up well. You can perceive all of this intense spice. And then we're going to take up our onion. We're going to add the onion. This time we're not going to cook our onion to 15 to 12 minutes. We're just going to cook it to 30 seconds to 1 minute because we need that onion. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the paste. So we'll add this paste, we're just going to cook up this paste, and then we're going to add our tomato puree to the pan. We're going to allow this to cook for a few minutes, ensure that it cooks properly for about 5 minutes, blend very well, and then we can now add every other ingredient. We're just going to add the prawn into the bowl, and we're going to add some salt. Generously seasoning, ensure you have all of this flavor. Then we're going to add some black pepper, all of the black pepper. And then we're going to 5 minutes, and then it's time for us to add our chili. That is the green chili. It's time to add some chili flakes. And then we are going to add the salt, and then we're going to stir and allow them to combine for another 1 to 2 minutes. It's time for us to start grilling our prawn in another pan. For us to grill, we're going to add a little bit of oil into the pan. That's about 3 tablespoons of oil to 4 tablespoons. And then we're just going to add the shrimps into the pan. Allow them to cook generously and then ensure they have lovely flavor. It's time to on the other side, make sure that you have look at the lovely color, brown cream color, and that will be so delicious. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this to the pasta after making all the pasta. Wow, this is good. So I'm just going to chop a little bit more of the parsley to give it a final touch. You can chop it finely this time. And then we just want to sprinkle to pop out those color. And then go back to because we do you're blinding up all of the seafood. Look at that. That is what I have for you this season on the Ramadan. And this is the seafood pasta you need to try for with your friends and family. And don't forget, you cannot afford to use things that aren't fresh. Tomatoes must be fresh, your seafood must be fresh, and everything must be fresh. It's simple, and you can always have everything you need to make this happen. From me to you today on a breakfast day is a pasta you need to try.